Guys, this is Ria Nagrali, your guru, and today I'll be talking about a very interesting and an underrated topic. And it will save you, okay, guys, it will save you from so much of drama, so much of, what do you say, unnecessary people, from friendships, so called friendships. And I wanted to explain you guys because it truly changed my life and will change your life as well. So, the concept is that misunderstanding is the key to every friendship. Wait, wasn't misunderstanding the breaks down a friendship and not build? Wait, what is happening over here? Basically, what I'm trying to say that their misunderstanding about you reveals a lot about their perspective about you or how they feel about you. Now, for example, you find your friend talking bad about you to a third person who you don't even know, and then you go confront them saying that this is not who I am, what are you talking, this is what is this going on. And then the second friend comes with a whole big heart and apologize, I'm so sorry, this is not how I am, this is like that and like that. And we are supposed to forgive them, and these are you basically your friends who talks bad about you, okay, and you're supposed to forgive them and accept it and move on with that friendship. No, basically what's happening over here, they misunderstood about you and they create this little story from your actions and words, put it all together and told it not one but 10 different people who you don't even know. So misunderstanding shows how your friends think about you. Basically, I've written this paragraph that nothing gives a clearer look into someone than how they misinterpret things. Every misunderstanding is a confession, and it's so true because how people misunderstand about you reveals their perception and their feelings about you. So, as I told you, this paragraph wants you to, instead of confronting your friend and saying, what are you doing? And making a whole drama and a whole fight, I want you to listen to them. This is a pro tip, okay? Listen to what they're saying, listen how they're talking about you. Because the way they talk about you to other people shows how they think about you. Because, see, basically, people in the society, okay, they're double faced. I'll tell you, they're double faced, they're sugar coated. They come to you with sweet words and they're like, let's be friends for once. And then the next minute, with the different people, they have a whole different identity. They talk bad about you. And what you're supposed to do, cry? No. This is the reason, guys. We always feel bad about ourselves because we think we have done something. We have not done anything. It's their mistake that they thought about us like that. But even though you explain them, over explain them with details, tell them this is not who I am and this is what I meant, and I'm so sorry if you misinterpret in that. When you explain them this whole thing and they still talk bad about you to other people, honestly, you should cut them off. The Do you know the timing was insane when I got this book, The Let Them by Mel Robbins. It's basically let them. Okay, let them think bad about you. Let them misunderstand about you. And okay, I don't want you to confront them. Okay, talk and say them out, like this, and explain them basically. Because even after explaining, they still think bad about you. Let them let them let them think bad about you. Even after explaining, they go tell to 10 different people and be like, no, this is how she is and she's always overacting or whatever. They talk bad about you. Just honestly, just let them talk about you, because they are not meant to be in your life anymore. They're not meant to be your friends, because the real ones will talk good about you. They know who you are. They will be talking good to other people, and they will bring friends who are like them, who will talk good about you. They will not bring, see, the fake friends over here will be taking so much energy from you, will talk so much, sugarcoat the words, and then they will go say to different people with their own story. That's okay, guys, because I could not distinguish between a real friend and a fake friend. Both of them were the same, okay? They both acted in the same way. It's so confusing, especially being in this kind of generation where you cannot understand, because everyone is so sweet because they want to keep so-called connections and be on good terms with everyone. Being on good terms, I get it, but then if you're supposed to be my real friend, you're supposed to talk good about me to other people and not talk bad about me. If you found out that your friends are talking bad about you, immediately cut them. Because, like, see, this is how they think about you. And if you did explain, okay, see, firstly, I'm not saying you to, like, okay, I heard this, so I've cut off. Explain who you are. Explain this is not how I meant it, and this what is my story. This is not what my intentions are. And even after that, they still be like, oh no, and they just go again, say bad about you. They are not your friends. They're seriously not your friends. It will take a lot of time because finding the real ones takes time. It takes patience. And finding those real friendships and the ones which are going to carry forward in your life will also take time. You will be going through so many friendships and so many ups and downs in a friendships. But the main thing which I want to say that misunderstanding is the key. Let them misunderstand about you, and even after confronting or even after explaining them that this is not who I am and this is a whole different scenario which you thought about, and they still think like that, I would say you to cut them off. I would not. You're going to cut them off from your life because they're going to drain the energy from you. So basically, misunderstanding is the key for every friendship because it reveals a lot about who they are. It reveals a lot. It reveals a lot about how they think about you altogether. So I hope this message made some sense. And once you understand this message which I'm trying to explain here, it will save you from those kind of friendships which are not supposed to be in your life at all. It's supposed to be, see, friendships are supposed to be, um, someone who, like, suppose a friend is supposed to be helping you in whatever goals you have set in your life. They're not supposed to drain you. But if you find your friends draining your energy, or friends who are just not expressing or anything like that, just talking bad about you, I would suggest you, not suggest, you have to cut them off from your life. So that's the main message. Misunderstanding is the key for every friendship. Let them think how they're supposed to be thinking, and you'll see who your real friends are. So that's the message for today's video. I hope you like it.